This is example 8 of the lab 4 for Math 100. We want to simplify the below expression. We have 2 times negative 2x squared plus 3x minus 6, all in this in a parenthesis, plus 5 times, in parenthesis, x squared minus 2x plus 10. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to distribute these outside numbers to their inside parentheses. So here we have 2 times all of this. So this 2 is going to distribute to negative 2x squared, it's going to distribute to this 3x, and it's going to distribute to this negative 6. So 2 times negative 2x squared is going to be negative 4x squared. 2 times positive 3x is going to give us 6x. 2 times negative 6 is going to give us negative 12. And then we have to do this part. So this 5 is going to distribute to this x squared, it's going to distribute to this negative 2x, and it's going to distribute to this 10. So we have 5 times x squared, which is just 5x squared. We have 5 times negative 2x, which is going to give us negative 10x. We have 5 times 10, which is going to give us 50. So now that we have it like this, I'm going to write our like groups together. So I'm going to look at the powers of x here. So we have negative 4x squared and 5x squared. I'm going to write those two things together. So you have negative 4x squared plus 5x squared. The next like group I see are just x's with the power of 1. So we have 6x and we have negative 10x. I'm going to write those two things together. So we have plus 6x minus 10x. And our last group is ones without any x's, negative 12 and 50. We can write those two things together, negative 12 plus 50. And now that we've done that, it's going to be easier to see. So now we can add our like groups together. So negative 4 plus 5 is going to give us positive 1. So it's going to give us just 1x squared. I don't need to write the 1 there. And for our next group here, we have 6x minus 10x, which is going to give us negative 4x. And then we have, for our last group, we have negative 12 plus 50. So that's going to give us positive 38. So now that we have it in this form, we're just going to rewrite it just to make it look a little nicer. But we cannot simplify it any further than this.